Hi, I'm Christy with WTI, and I believe every woman needs a little black dress in her closet, and I found a really cute black dress from HELYO. I love it. I really like the ruffled sleeve, and I appreciate the modest neckline. I don't have to worry about showing something I don't want to show. I also think that the length is perfect for a midi dress, also very modest. This is a size medium, and I am typically a size 4 or 6, in between there somewhere. And I do think that this dress is true to size. It's really comfortable. It also has pockets, which I think every woman appreciates in a dress. I think it looks really cute paired with some red earrings or some red shoes. I personally love black and red together. I don't know why, but I think that looks cute. If you want an adorable black dress in your closet, I would definitely get this one. It's really cute, it's flattering, and it's comfortable. And that's my point of view.